Hi, I'm going to talk about a bidet today. For us in the States, I think most of us aren't familiar with them. Unless you've traveled and experienced it or know somebody that has one. I had never used a bidet. We've traveled to Europe several times and they've just kind of stood in the bathroom unused. We are traveling now for a year. We spent 3 months in Spain. About half of the places in Spain have bidets, but almost all do in Italy. Well, in Spain, we were in our 3rd month before I ever attempted to use one. And I'm kind of regretful because once I used it, I loved it. And then we left Spain for England. They didn't have bidets there, so I had to wait until we came back to Italy. And I have the bidet again, so I'm excited. So I want to tell you some of the ways or some of the things you can use the bidet for that I've experienced. I'm sure there are probably others. One is we're currently staying near the beach. So you can come in, rinse your feet off, flip-flops on, flip-flops off, it doesn't matter. Or you can just rinse off, like you got your flip-flop all dirty, you just rinse the sand off. It's a hot water, warm water thing. So if you like it, warmer or colder, you can adjust that like anything. So that's one thing. Another thing that I found in Spain is you could sit, because it was the same kind of setup. I could sit on the toilet and use the bidet to shave my legs, which was really nice because most showers in Europe are these little bitty box things that give you no room to shave your legs. I mean, you cream up your legs and then the shower is just washing it right off. So this is really nice because I can shave it here and not worry about rinsing my shaving cream off. So those were the first 2 ways I experienced a bidet. I had to kind of work into it, so for the real purpose of it. So I'm gonna tell you the reason I really like the bidet is, so you're doing your business on the toilet and you feel like you need a little extra clean. You just kind of scoot right over to the bidet. Of course, you don't have your, dress in the water flow. You can pre-fill the water, like while you're on the toilet, say. If you want it nice and warm, wait for the flow to get out good and warm. Then you just come over. Now the flow, you can make it as, forceful or whatever. The nice thing is, all you do is back up. The flow goes right where you want it to. And you can either, they have this it's kind of a cleaner for private parts. So it's a mild cleanser. They always have it near a bidet. They also have the butt towel. That's the name I gave it after Eric used one in Spain at a house we were staying at. He used the butt towel on his face. Sent me into a fit of giggles, but if you ever find a towel near proximity to the bidet, do not use it on hands or face. Just saying. So here, that's what we do. We're washing these parts. You can either use your hand or not. Have the water, adjust it like you want it. I found that it doesn't really matter to me if it's warm or cold. It all feels good. So for female, and maybe male, I don't know. But if you want your front parts to get a little refreshing, maybe you've had a hot sweaty day or something, and you just need a little extra, pick me up. So, extra pick me up. I don't mean it like that. Same thing, but you straddle it, facing the water flow. And again, you can use your hand or not. It just really washes the parts that you need. So, oh no, I can't do that. So you just cut the water on, splash, splash, stand up, butt towel, and you're done. I mean, you would think it would be really messy, but it's not. There's no drips. You got your butt towel, you splash, splash, wipe, and you're done. And you feel just as fresh as a daisy. So I love the bidet, And when we return to the States, I would like to have one. I think if you give one a try, don't be scared. Don't wait as long as I did to try one. I think you will like it too. I would like to have a all-in-one bidet. In Spain, where we stayed, the gentleman had a bidet that was built into his toilet, so you didn't have to have the two separate items. It was just a all-in-one. So I think that's the kind I want to shoot for when I go home. But that's how you use a bidet as far as I know. I'm sure you could find other things to do with it. Wash the baby in it, I don't know. But I say try it. You might like it.